Sparrow, eat your Christmas bone.
You didn't know what to do with this.
You're supposed to chew it. Come on. Want it? Is it too big? Hmm? What? What is it?
Good boy. Good boy. Go. Eat it.
Come on, Sparrow. Hey,
Eat it.
that's your stocking bone. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Sparrow, you're supposed to eat it.
Should I break it in half for him?
Nah, he'll figure it out. There he goes, good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Don't eat stuff off the carpet. Here, eat that. It's for you. Sparrow, eat your bone. You don't know what to do with it. Good boy. Hey. Eat your bone. He wants that cookie. Come on.
Too big?
You don't know what to do with it, bud? Never had a Christmas bone?
I want to break it in half.
Come on, Nick. You're supposed to look. He's gonna eat it. Nom, 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 nom. No. Is it good? Oh, that looked good, Sparrow. You better eat it before he does. Good boy.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Good boy.
That's why I don't want it. It seriously has no taste.
You'll figure it out, bud. Merry Christmas, Sparrow. He's gonna lay on it. New pillow.